Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take these shapes that we've cut and turn them into a wave. And we would do this with the bacon fabric to make it look like bacon, but my video that I took got deleted. So I have another example here. So you're going to have two sets of strips sewn together that are identical. Okay? And you're layering them on top, and you're going to cut your shapes. You're going to start with the Dresden wedge, and then cut a parallelogram, and then a wedge, and then parallelogram, wedge, parallelogram, wedge, parallelogram. Now you need to also make sure that your seams are pointing different directions. Here, these seams are pointing this way, and that one's pointing that way. Okay, and you want to stack them. If you stack them real nice, you can cut them at the same time. And you'll have two full widths of fabric. I just have one width of fabric that I cut in half and stacked on top of each other. Okay, so to make the magic, you're going to start with your top wedge on your, I'm doing it backwards, so it'll be your left side, move it over to the right. Then you're going to take the bottom parallelogram. That will allow you to nest your seams, and you're going to move it here. Push your seams together. Top wedge, bottom parallelogram. I'm going to scoot these over. Top wedge, bottom parallelogram. Getting all mixed up. Top wedge, bottom parallelogram. Then I'm going to come back over to here and just move them up one by one. And you can see we're getting our wave shape. Make sure you move them one by one into the opposite order without turning them. So when you line up your seams, it's going to make a nice wave, and your seams will nest. This one's going down, this one's going up. There will be one seam right in the middle of the two halves where they don't nest, but that's not such a huge deal.